on KOLR10 News, Ozarks First.
Good morning and happy Friday. I wanted to start us out with a look at the big picture. It's been a pretty hot, sizzling September. We've had 23 of our days this month all above average and some well above average. Most of our days have been in the 90s. 15 of our 23 days have been in the 90s. We're running about 8.5 degrees above average, still looking at one of the top 10 hottest Septembers on record. We've also had rain finally come into the picture this last week and a half. We've got about 1.5 inches of rain for the month, but we're still running over 2 inches in the hole because of that very hot and dry stretch that we had earlier on. So I was curious about this, so I thought you might be too. I'm starting to see a few leaves change color. The heat could maybe not make those colors as vibrant or delay that color a little bit. We want chilly nights and mild sunny days to really prompt that color going, but we're nowhere near the peak yet. Late October and early November, so we still have some time before we really pop some of that fall color. Starting out with some clouds in Springfield. It's 66 degrees on southerly winds at 15 miles per hour and those dew points in the 60s. It's 64 degrees in Branson, 65 in Harrison, and 66 up at Lake of the Ozarks. Dew points are a little bit stickier in spots, especially to the west, and that's because we're going to pull in this warm and humid air mass into the Ozarks today. Some strong southerly winds, gusts to 30 miles per hour, and pull in a pretty hot and sticky day, feeling much more like summer out there this afternoon. We stay dry all afternoon. The front stays to the north. We could get clipped by a few storms to the north and west by the overnight tonight, maybe 1 or 2 strong ones, but we'll really have that front come more into our picture as we head through the day tomorrow. A couple of showers and storms possible, maybe 1 or 2 strong ones. The threat would be for quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and maybe a quick and heavy downpour. So hour by hour, we're mostly sunny, hot, and breezy today. Temperatures in the middle and upper 80s will be much above average and a little bit close to our records. 69 degrees overnight tonight, a couple of clouds, and then we'll bring in more cloud cover, maybe a few storms as we head through the day tomorrow, with those temperatures a little bit cooler because of the clouds in the low to middle 80s. Once this storm kicks out, the next big story is going to be this high pressure that moves in to the south and east. That's going to pull in that summery feel back into the Ozarks as we start the month of October. From Sunday onward into early next week, we're looking at temperatures up near 90 degrees in the upper 80s. Average is 76, so we'll be running well into 10 to 15 degrees above average as we start out the first few days of October. 89 degrees today, mostly sunny, warm and breezy. South winds gust to 30 miles per hour. I'm forecasting 89, and the record is 91 from 1953, so we'll be close to our records today. 69 overnight. We could have a couple of storms set up to the north and west, and then we'll have some cloud cover as we start out the parking lot. It's 9 to 11 right here at KOLR10 tomorrow. A couple of showers and storms will be possible, but I do think most, if not all of the event will get off dry. Just some clouds, maybe a sprinkle here and there. 85 degrees tomorrow with that storm chance. And then the heat is on. Sunday, mostly sunny. Temperatures up near 90 degrees. Hot-ober Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.